Most people panic when their Steam gift card code says, invalid, or not recognized. They assume the card is fake, already used, or completely broken. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, most Steam gift card problems are caused by small mistakes that are actually easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to fix a Steam gift card code that is not working. We'll cover invalid code errors, region problems, already redeemed messages, and the fastest way to contact Steam support if nothing works. First, check the code carefully before doing anything else. This sounds simple, but this is where most people fail. Steam gift card codes often mix up letters and numbers. For example, people confuse 0 with the letter O, or the number 1 with a capital I. Jake entered his code 3 times wrong before realizing one character was incorrect. Now here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes the issue is not the code itself. It's the Steam account region. If your account region does not match the currency or country of the gift card, Steam may reject it automatically. For example, a US Steam card may not work on an account set to India or another region. Go to your Steam account details and verify your store country. If the card region and account region are different, that could be the entire problem. But here's the problem most people never notice. Some gift cards are not activated properly at the store. Alex bought a Steam card from a retail shop, but the cashier never activated it during checkout. The card looked fine physically, but Steam could not recognize it online. In a minute, I'll show you the fastest way to confirm whether your card was activated. Before that, try redeeming the code directly through the Steam desktop app instead of the mobile app or browser. Sometimes browser extensions, VPNs, or outdated apps interfere with redemption. Another important fix is disabling your VPN completely. Steam has become stricter in 2026 with region verification. If Steam detects unusual locations, it may temporarily block gift card redemption for security reasons. Now here's the easiest way to check if the card was activated correctly. Look at your purchase receipt. Many stores print activation confirmation directly on the receipt. If there's no activation record, return to the store with both the card and receipt. If Steam says the code was already redeemed, contact Steam support immediately. Take clear photos of the front and back of the card, plus the purchase receipt. John had this exact problem, and Steam restored the balance after verifying ownership. One more thing. Never buy Steam gift cards from random online sellers or unofficial marketplaces. Many discounted codes are stolen, resold, or already used. So here's the bottom line. Most Steam gift card issues come from typing mistakes, region mismatches, inactive cards, or VPN conflicts. Once you check those step by step, the problem is usually easy to solve. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick fixes, and comment below which solution worked for you. Your comment could help someone else fix their Steam card faster.